7 minutes to go. Still no score. Jamaica and Brazil, the Reggae Boyz, playing a strong game, and with an opportunity to win this. Ball played long. Whitmore. Knocked down there, and we're going to get a caution here. Junior Baiano gets red carded. And that's it! Jamaica, the Reggae Boyz, gain a point against the best team in the world, Brazil. And listen to this crowd cheering the Reggae Boyz.
Wherever you are on this most pleasant evening, there has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. A moment of great pride, the anthems. Strains of the national anthem of Brazil. Plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
And that gets things running. Lucio tries to get it forward quickly. Cafu looking to get on the end of this. Going through. Oh, sweet feet. Get that clear. Emerson plays it out to the wing. Dinks one in. Can he get this? He's gone for it! Goal! Brazil! Just so calm under pressure.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as a needle the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Goodison. Let down by a lack of accuracy. Good ball. A chance from Mario! He's looking to get there first. That's the throw. Cleared without complication. Baiano. Roberto Carlos. He's gone out of play. Gets it back. Whittaker. No question, that's a foul. Hoists it high. He just whacks it away. Little accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Drills one in. And that has been clubbed away. Clearance and very necessary. Baiano. Played into space out wide. Danger averted for now. Played into the middle. And it's hoisted clear. It's gone out for a throw-in. Bergson. Brazil are seeing a lot of the ball and have a 1-0 lead to show for it. Away from immediate danger. Cafu gets good distance on it. Brazil have a free kick. Keeper's got good distance on that. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. He's had a go! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Lucio boots it to safety. In he goes again! He has done it!
Oh, listen, the writing was on the wall. It looked like this was going to happen, and it has.
Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Yeah, it looks simple, Peter, but it requires intelligent use of space and good understanding to pull it off.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Romario. Romario! Oh, bang on target. He's through. Now it's Kaka. Goes for goal! Great ball to play him in, but he will be gutted to miss that.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
He's got away. Chance to shoot. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. It's anyone. Simpson! Sticks it away! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. He was so alert to the possibilities there. Great stuff.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
So we have a breakthrough. All the way back and they start again. Gets it upfield. And the counter is on. He's left his man. Swept in. Get that clear. Lucio. Approaching half-time and still behind. Can they make something happen now? Well positioned to make that interception. Gardner. Goes long. Here it comes. Lucio. Gets rid without sophistication. Put it away! Volleyed effort.
Well, that was inventive and speculative, but the thought process was a little slicker than the attempt.
Romario.
Well, this is a terrific show of resilience and spirit. I love to see a team roll up their sleeves and force their way back. Superb.
You've got to say, the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
So all square, and not for the first time.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Gardner. Forward it goes. He's left his man. Looks to thread it through. Knocks it away. Will be a throw-in. Swept in. The referee's awarded a free kick. Keeper goes long. Needed a better pass there. There is the half-time whistle. Brazil come out of a half that has been quite extraordinary on many counts. High scoring, truly exciting. Neither side able to hold a lead. What a good half. They've gone blow for blow, and it's 2-2. And that's the second half started. No changes at the interval from either side. Low. Whittingham. Boyd. Surely he's battered! And he's there to hoof it away. Plenty waiting in the middle. It's come loose. Out towards the flank.
Brazil have really been terrific at snuffing out the threat. Now for something different.
And it's Kaká. Cafu. Now it's Kaká. Oh, great defending. That needed doing. Quick ball forward. Burton. He's on a charge. It's good distance on it. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Forward it goes. Lucio tries to get it forward quickly. Well, they can break here. They're guilty of lacking inventiveness here. It's all broken down. Looks to clip it forward. Goes for goal! Volleyed effort.
Yeah, quick thinking and the right choice for me, but that was difficult to get right.
Simpson, chip through, clears it out of harm's way, tries to stroke it through, and that'll go straight through to the keeper. Out to the left it goes, big chance here, Edmundo! Oh, the ball's come loose. Surely, shot a goal! It's in!
The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality. Well, when the going gets tough, etc., they can still turn this round, I think.
Tries to get it forward quickly. He's got away. Dinks one in. Can he finish? Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Well, what's he giving here? Well, the referee's decided that he was fouled outside the box, and it is just a free kick. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Last-ditch defending, and the finish!
Well, to put it this way, he's probably made better decisions.
Roberto Carlos. Malcolm. He goes long. Help's available out wide. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary.
Jamaica are definitely going about this the right way.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
And it's got through. Big chance! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
There's no flag. Kaká really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Kaká. Cafu, who does have an assist to his name. Now it's Kaká. Looking for space out wide. Knocks it away. Roberto Carlos. Hardly anything between the sides.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Played out to the right, back into the middle. Belton! Goal! They have hauled themselves right back into it. And that is stunning, just too hot to handle.
Oh, the contact was fantastic, right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
Sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, the big question now is whether they can keep the energy levels up and try and grab a winner. Brazil merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
He's got options out wide. Clearance and very necessary. Brazil get it back again. Roberto Carlos. Lobs it in gently. And it's hoisted clear.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Juninho. Keeper's got good distance on that. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. A very good game of football. No winner, but both sets of fans have got their money's worth. Fine entertainment, and it ends all square.